Welcome. For this quick tutorial, I want to introduce you to an amazing option that can go unnoticed easily. In a previous tutorial, I introduced you to the Add and Replace node. However, this action will replace all the items inside the scene, but this option is more to organize or clean your organizations. When you open your scenes, you can see the Create New Scene and Import buttons, but when you click on the checkbox, new options will appear. When you click on Transfer, a box will pop up and ask you the name of the organization you want to send the scene to, but you need to have a project created already. Once you click on Transfer, this scene will disappear from your current organization. You can always transfer the scene back if you need it, but you should be careful how or where you transfer your scenes. After sending your scenes, make sure to also transfer the corresponding assets to the organization. To do that, go to your assets and select the corresponding items and do the same. Click on the checkboxes and click on Transfer. Now, we can move to the other organization and see that everything is working just perfectly. I hope this information is useful to make you work better with your projects. Thank you for watching.